Hello and welcome to another episode. In this episode I'm going to show you how to use the speed limiter. I don't think it's in the manual on how to do this. If you search the word limit or speed or things like that in the PDF version, it's not there. So I found this by googling around. Anyway, it's quite easy to use, and it also works with the speed sign recognition to tell you if the speed needs to go up and down. Anyway, I'll show you how to turn it on. And I'm just going to take you on a quick drive to show you how to use the limiter. Now, basically you press the cruise control button, press and hold it, and that changes to limit on the screen in the middle. And then it's just a matter of up and down in the speed on the left hand button. I think the minimum is 20, so put it into iPedal. So at the moment I'm limited to 20 in a 30 mile an hour zone, so I've got my foot all the way down. And at the moment it's just sticking at 20. Now what I found is if you kick down a second time, it overrides the limiter like that, and that's a warning because I'm doing over 20 in a 30 because I've set my own limit. The limiter also interacts with the automatic speed recognition signs, but I'll show you that in a minute. I'm currently limited to 30. Notice I've got my foot down and I've got regen. Now the speed limiter should go up. It'll let me when it spots the signs changed, but it hasn't. Okay, now I'm going from a 50 down to a 30. So you'll see the sign in a minute and it'll give a down arrow to say you press down arrow. You would think, and there it goes. And now I'm limited to 30. That's it. As I say, if you press it again and push it hard, it will override it. So this is just fine where it should be at 30. Now I'm going from a 30 back into the 50 on the way back, and you should see it spot the 50 and give you the up arrow, and then you can just press up. That'll give you the limiter at 50. But unlike speed control, if you take your foot off the accelerator, it slows down. And I think this system is the same in all the Kias and Hyundais over the last few years. go, it's hit 50, so we're now limited to 50. There we go, I'll put my foot down. The car in front needs to be doing 50 for me to go 50. There you are. That's it. And that's all there is to it. To cancel it, just press it again, and it'll turn it off, or back on the cruise control. Press and hold it for the limiter. Thanks for watching.